Hi everyone. I wanted to demonstrate a brand new feature that we call forms. So what is forms? Basically, when we interact with AI agents or pretty much any other website widget, there are times when we need to collect structured information from the user. Typically in those scenarios, we provide a form with the fields that the user needs to fill in. In most setups, this process is quite stagnated, and the fields that needs to be collected are fairly limited, and describing them is difficult. So this new feature gives capabilities to the bot or the AI agent to generate a new form dynamically for the specific user. We're going to test this now. For the purpose of this test, we already have a widget that I have configured. And the only option that we need is under advanced options and enable the form feature here, which I have already done that. So I'm going to go to the install area of the website, click on install, click on test. That's going to take us to the test window where we can test the widget. And if I click on the widget button and just say hi there, that will trigger the bot. As you can see, the bot has automatically generated the form for me where I need to fill. So I'm going to say joe@doe.com, and also select my address. Submit the form, and now the bot has responded and I can move on. Let's see how this is configured. First of all, we have the widget, which is a standard widget that uses the default theme. And we also have a bot connected to this widget. Again, the most important option of this setup is the form setting here, which enables the feature inside the widget itself. If we go to the bot configuration, we have a very simple instruction for that bot. I'll put it full screen. And of course, we say that this is a helpful assistant called Bob. We specify exactly how we want to generate the form and when we want to generate the form. And that's the only thing that we need to do. Just with that, and with the widget configuration, we have now a powerful instrumentation that can be invoked in any given point during the customer journey to collect some information from the user that the bot can utilize in follow-up steps. Just a little bit of discussion on how this can be used more effectively. Obviously, the application of this feature is pretty broad. You can invoke the form generation action before the conversation starts or at any given point in the journey. Oftentimes, widgets present the contact collection form from the very beginning, which contributes to increase of the drop-off rate when customers engage with that widget. With this new feature, then the AI agent or the bot becomes more intelligent in the sense that the form can be presented in the most appropriate time during the journey. That's not necessarily the first message. This could happen a few moments later or at the right time when some information is required from the user. So I hope you enjoyed. It's a new feature and only available in ChatBotKit. And we are sure that this feature will revolutionize the way you do lead generation and how you collect information from your customers.